All right, I had shipped a friend of mine some wrap vinyl to cover the frontal bars on his Powrachute Airwolf because they had gotten some scratches, and I promised him a quick video on what to do with it when it got there. I thought I would make this public in case anybody else has the same issue and wants to do the same thing. As luck would have it, mine had some scratches on it. I had a wrap on it. I just took it off to do this video. But it also works to protect your frontal bars or outer bars, halo. I've got paint protection film on my prop ring. You know, film is, it's a sacrificial skin, if you will. So anyway, quick video on what to do with it. So the first thing you'll want to do is clear off the surface. I had a ram mount that I had to move. So that's that guy down there. First one to do is fit it into place. I'm going to stop mine just short of that mount. So it looks like we need to trim a couple inches off of it. By the way, this is wrap film. This is a 4mm Avery SW900 satin black, and it is, they come 60 inches to a roll, and this is a 4-inch strip of it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold it to crease it. And I'm gonna take a El Cheapo Harbor Freight click knife. I'm gonna go down here. I do not plan on cutting through the liner because I do this every day, but in case I do, it's already scratched down here anyway. And I'm going to cut along that crease. And again, I did not cut through the liner, so there's no scratches on the surface. We're going to set that aside while we clean the surface. We're going to use isopropyl alcohol. Good luck finding it, like liquid gold right now. So we're going to clean the surface. Very important, especially you guys in Florida that are flying through the swamp and stuff. I know I've seen videos of you guys landing in the mud. Definitely make sure it's clean. Or if you're in Lake Charles. Yeah. All right, surface is clean. That's 90%, so it's going to flash real fast. Next thing we're going to do is get the wrap film off the liner. We're going to pull tension in between the two ends and form a plane along the bar. That's a little high, so I'm going to reposition it. That looks good, so I'm going to set my plane right down the middle. And then we're going to roll in the edges. You could use a squeegee for a shape like this. I prefer this with my hand because I can conform my hand to the tube. And that's it. With running my hand up and down it, it's going to generate friction. Friction is going to generate heat. It's going to help that, that adhesive to set. You could go over it with a squeegee to give it some more pressure, but this is gonna bond just fine. I know his machine is black, so it's going to look a lot better than it does on mine. Again, that was a 4-inch strip, and it all but covers about 3/4 of an inch on the back side. But you're still going to see some scratches underneath the surface if the surface is damaged like this one is, but if you're just trying to protect, it's just going to look great. So that's it. Good luck, guys.